everybody, it's Mary here with OperaMaya. We're in the OSEA school in Biste, which is very close to Chichen Itza, and we are collaborating with OSEA and with all of the government officials in the area, as well as Culture and Laina. They're really excited about having a concert here on the 11th of July at 9:30. It's going to be free to the public and in the Mayan language. And to give you an example of the Mayan language, we're going to give you the welcome in Maya with my new good friend.
Bisa ni guys, wayanon tu lahir lo saya, dan tu kerja mari grogan, yang siku bash ya de, yang kayo ichmaya, di 11 Julio tu kucing Chichen Itza. Aji maju kalau ni meya ya de OperaMaya.
Okay, well, we are super excited to be coming to give this concert free to the public the 11th of July, and we are expecting you there. So come and join us. Bye!
Kodenesh!